Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily English. Today is day 6 of our 30-day English speaking challenge. Today we will learn 100 more daily used English sentences that will help you speak English confidently in daily situations. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. What are you doing here? I came to see you. I came to help you. I came to learn something new. I didn't expect this. I didn't know that. I just found out. That's good news. That's bad news. I am happy for you. Congratulations to you. Well done. Good job. Keep it up. That's impressive. I am proud of you. You did a great job. You did very well. That's wonderful. That's fantastic. How was your day today? My day was very busy. My day was great. I had a good day. I had a bad day. I learned something new today. I finished my work today. I completed my task. I solved the problem. I tried my best. I will try again. I will do better next time. Don't worry about it. Everything will be okay. Stay calm and relaxed. Take it easy. Don't think too much. Just relax. Everything happens for a reason. Keep moving forward. Where do you live? I live near the market. I live in this city. How long have you lived here? I have lived here for 5 years. Do you like this place? Yes, I like this place. No, I don't like it very much. It's a nice place. It's a peaceful place. It's a busy place. What do you do? I am a student. I am working. I am learning English. What do you like to do? I like reading books. I like listening to music. I like watching movies. I like learning new things. Please come inside. Please have a seat. Make yourself comfortable. Would you like some water? Would you like some tea? Please feel free. Don't feel shy. Take your time. No need to hurry. Let's talk about it. Let's solve this problem. Let's work together. Let's do our best. Let's give it a try. That's a good plan. That's a smart idea. That's a better solution. I agree with you. You are absolutely right. I understand your point. Practice English every day. Don't be afraid to speak. Speak with confidence. Your English is improving. Keep learning new words. Keep practicing speaking. Listen to English carefully. Watch English videos daily. Read English stories. Write English sentences daily. Step by step, you will improve. Hard work brings success. Believe in your ability. Stay focused on your goal. Never give up learning. Be confident in yourself. Your fluency will grow soon. Keep going forward. You can achieve your goal. See you tomorrow for day 7, 100 more daily English sentences. If you want to improve your English speaking, listen to these sentences again and repeat them loudly. Practice these 100 sentences every day, and your English will improve step by step. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, Daily English, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow with Day 7, 100 more daily English sentences.